Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. Today I am going to take a General Science class for class 1 students. My dear students, our today's topic, Chapter 7, Discussion, Part 1. Today's lecture number 1 and this is for annual term. Okay, so let's start our class. Chapter 7. Today we will discuss Chapter 7 and the chapter name is the animal genre. Okay, the chapter name is the animal genre. Okay, my dear students, follow this class with your textbook. Animals are all around us. There are big animals and there are small animals. There are different types of animals around us. Big and small animals. Animals may be big, animals may be small. Big animals are elephant, lion. Okay, my dear students, see here given the figure of elephant and here given picture of lion. Okay, so elephant and lions are big animals. Now go to next page. Here given the figure, a picture of bear and the picture of giraffe. Okay, these are also big animals. Bear and giraffe are also big animals. Okay, now come to small animals. Here given the figure of rabbit, the figure of cat, dog and mouse, and these are all of these animals are small animals. Okay, now go to next page. Birds. Birds are animals that can fly. My dear students, underline this line. Birds are animals that can fly. They lay eggs. They lay eggs. They have wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. Feathers keep them warm. It will be M. Okay, warm. W-A. My dear students, see W-A-R-M. Warm. Okay, the correct spelling of worm is W-A-R-M. Warm. Okay, now see. Feathers keep them warm and help them to fly. They have 2 legs. Birds eat with their beaks. I am repeating. Birds are animals that can fly. They lay eggs. They have wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. Feathers keep them warm and help them to fly. They have 2 legs. Birds eat with their beaks. My dear students, you have to underline these lines and you have to memorize also this line. These lines are important for MCQ. Choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks and true false. Okay, now see here given the figure of birds. See this, the part of these birds are big. This is big. This is feather and this is legs and these are wings. Okay, now some birds are here given some the figures of some birds. Some birds are pigeon. This one is pigeon. The spelling of pigeon is P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. This one is sparrow. The spelling of sparrow is S-P-A-R-R-O-W. Sparrow. This one is parrot. Okay, P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Now crow. This one is crow. The spelling of crow is C-R-O-W. Crow. This one is eagle. The spelling of eagle is E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. And the last one is ostrich. The spelling of ostrich is O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Okay, my dear students, I am repeating this chapter again. Animals are all around us. There are big animals and there are small animals. there are different types of animals around us, big and small animals. Animals may be big and animals may be small. Big animals are elephant, lion. The spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, and lion is L-I-O-N, lion. Bear, B-E-A-R, bear. Giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Okay, now some small animals are rabbit, cat, dog, and mouse. Birds. Birds are animals that can fly. They lay eggs, they have wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. Feathers keep them warm and help them to fly. They have 2 legs. Birds eat with their beaks. Some birds are pigeon, sparrow, parrot, crow, eagle, and ostrich. My dear students, I hope all of you have understood our today's topic. Read properly this chapter. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.